In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access display section. In it, scroll down again. Click on text size. And lastly, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!